The year is 1494. Christopher Columbus has just returned from his voyage across the Atlantic. A revolution in exploration and trade is about to begin. In this same year, an Italian mathematician named Luca Pacioli publishes his groundbreaking work, Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proporzioni et Proporzionalità. This book contains a chapter that will change the world of commerce forever, a detailed description of double-entry bookkeeping. Imagine a world without a reliable system to track financial transactions. It was a world of confusion and limited economic growth. Pacioli's double-entry bookkeeping revolutionized business. It provided a simple yet powerful method for recording every transaction. Every debit had a corresponding credit. This ensured balance and accountability. Pacioli's system spread like wildfire throughout Europe. Merchants and bankers embraced this new tool. Double-entry bookkeeping provided transparency. It helped businesses understand their financial health. This innovation laid the foundation for modern accounting. It fueled the growth of commerce and capitalism. For over 500 years, double-entry bookkeeping has remained the bedrock of accounting. Its principles are simple and universal. Every financial transaction involves two entries. This system has stood the test of time, underpinning the global economy. Think about the vast and complex financial systems we have today. Stock markets, multinational corporations, global trade, all rely on double-entry bookkeeping. This system provides a standardized way to record, track, and analyze financial information. However, the world has changed dramatically since Pacioli's time. The digital revolution has ushered in an era of unprecedented technological advancement. We now live in a world of instant communication, big data, and artificial intelligence. While double-entry bookkeeping served us well for centuries, it is starting to show its limitations in this new digital age. The digital age presents both opportunities and challenges for accounting. The sheer volume of transactions has grown exponentially. Data is generated and shared at lightning speed. While double-entry bookkeeping is fundamentally sound, it struggles to keep pace with this rapid evolution. One key limitation is the risk of fraud. Double-entry bookkeeping relies on centralized ledgers, which can be vulnerable to manipulation. Hackers and fraudulent actors are constantly finding new ways to exploit these systems. Another challenge is the lack of real-time transparency. In today's fast-paced business environment, decisions need to be made quickly. Double-entry bookkeeping, with its periodic reconciliations and audits, often lags behind. This delay can hinder agile decision-making and limit a company's ability to respond to market changes effectively. Introducing triple-entry bookkeeping, a blockchain revolution. Enter blockchain, a revolutionary technology that promises to address the limitations of double-entry bookkeeping. Imagine a digital ledger that is distributed across multiple computers, making it virtually impossible to alter or corrupt. This is the power of blockchain. Triple-entry bookkeeping, built on this secure foundation, introduces a third entry to the accounting equation. This third entry is a digital receipt that is cryptographically sealed and added to the blockchain. This creates an immutable record of every transaction, enhancing both security and transparency. But how does this work in practice? Let's say Company A purchases goods from Company B. In a triple-entry system, this transaction is automatically recorded in both companies' ledgers. Simultaneously, a digital receipt is generated and added to the blockchain, creating an irrefutable record. This eliminates the need for manual reconciliation and significantly reduces the risk of fraud. Embracing the future of accounting, transparency, efficiency, and trust. The implications of triple-entry bookkeeping are profound. By leveraging blockchain technology, we can create a more transparent, efficient, and trustworthy accounting system. This has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate. Fraud prevention is arguably the most significant benefit. The decentralized and immutable nature of blockchain makes it extremely difficult for malicious actors to tamper with records. This enhanced security can save companies significant losses and protect their reputations. Moreover, triple-entry bookkeeping enables real-time transparency. All parties involved in a transaction can access the shared ledger, providing a single source of truth. This eliminates disputes, speeds up audit processes, and fosters trust among stakeholders. The future of accounting is here. Triple-entry bookkeeping, powered by blockchain. promises to usher in a new era of efficiency, security, and trust. As we continue to explore the vast potential of this technology, we can expect to see its transformative impact across various industries. Be the greatest you can be. Join us. Click the link below for short, sharp, simple video courses that give you confidence and street-smart business skills to simplify accounting and focus on growing your business to succeed.